Welcome to the world of digital advertising on my YouTube channel, No Online Advertising. Today we are going to discuss about guerrilla marketing. And by the end of this video, you will realize that you probably came across these advertisements around you, but you never knew what these were called. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let me start by defining what guerrilla marketing actually is. It's an inbound marketing strategy which promotes by creating awareness among audience. Element of surprise is something that plays a vital role in the success of these campaigns. These are very unconventional because the ads are placed on the public locations wherein the people are least expecting to see an ad, and which is what takes them off guard. Guerrilla marketing campaigns are extremely budget friendly, which is why they are widely used by companies with lower budgets and helps them enhance their reach. Let's look at the types of guerrilla marketing. The first is ambient marketing. In ambient marketing, the ads are placed in public places like railway stations, airports, theaters, and public parks. These ads are highly creative, which pleasantly surprises the audience. Here we have some of the very famous ambient marketing campaigns by brands like McDonald's and KitKat. McD painted the zebra crossing like a pack of French fries. Similarly, KitKat painted one of the benches on the public parks like a chocolate, which pleasantly surprised the audience. Second type of guerrilla marketing is ambush marketing. In ambush marketing, brands aim to take the advantage of the publicity and the hype which is already created by an ongoing national event, which could be a trade fair or a nationwide sports event. By promoting products in these global events, brands are able to grab the eyeballs of thousands of viewers who are tuned in from around the globe watching these events. Here you can see a very famous ambush marketing campaign by brand Coca-Cola. The drinks trolley in a sports event is featuring their product and the logo. Another form of guerrilla marketing is sensation marketing. Very similar to ambient, these are also outdoor marketing, but these are impromptu ads which are one time and never repeated. Nike is a brand which is very well known for their sensation marketing campaigns. I hope this was informative, and to study in detail about guerrilla marketing, you can visit my website noonlineadvertising.com. Thank you all.